See if I can get him on the phone before he gets off of it. See what he says. Are you gonna get? Are you gonna get some? Are you gonna get some chips out of it? Are you gonna get the chips out of it? You're a good boy. It's okay. It's okay. Do you want them? There's only a tiny bit of crumbs left. Crumbs. He enjoys it when I give him the rest of the bag. Well, you're gonna have a nice day. You're gonna hang out with me a little bit longer, Seagull? Okay, have a nice day, buddy. Don't. You're flying low. You're. Oh, Jesus. It's always right when a car is coming. I always get freaked out, and then I don't know where he goes, and then I don't know if he's okay for hours. And he always flies down, and there's cars coming. About to blink video. It almost feels like I don't even want to give anybody anything, but it's almost like he just teleports. But I'm not saying that for real though. But he goes he goes down, like there's steps right here, and he goes down, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's a road right there, and all I ever see him is him disappearing right after those plants. Seagull, hi buddy, hey buddy. So I'm gonna end this.